My name is Dr. Asma Mustafa, MRCGP International, graduate 2023. I'm going to talk briefly about MRCGP International. So I will focus on AKT, that is our exam. This is part one. So first, we will focus on MRCGP International South Asia. That includes India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh. Next. First, we will talk about how to prepare for Part 1 MRCGP International South Asia exam. We have first revise past exams. There are many websites for online questions. I do prefer passmedicine website, Oxford Handbook of General Practice, NICE Guidelines of Common Disease Diagnosis and Management. Next slide. So, how to apply for the exam? So, for eligibility criteria, this should consist of either 2 years in family medicine training course, or a 2-year diploma in family medicine, or 1 year in family medicine training course or diploma in family medicine with a further 2 years clinical experience in a specialty that are recognized by the local accrediting organization and approved by the MRCGP International Board. Experience for Part 2 of ski exam is different. It is 5 years, plus passing Part 1. Part 1, the AKT exam, is 200 MCQs, single best answer format in 3.5 hours. Next. What are documents to be attached? First, we have job experience certificate or private practice certificate to prove that you are eligible to apply to Part 1 MRCGP International South Asia exam. Copy of MBBS degree, internship house job completion certificate, passport size verified photograph, copy of valid medical license certificate, bank draft in favor of MRCGP International South Asia or telegraphic transfer receipt. Next. MRCGP International membership of Royal College of General Practice is different from MRCGP UK. Although there is a recent debate if MRCGP International is recognized to work in UK or not. Anyway, let us now to concentrate on AKT exam centers. We have in Cyprus, Dubai, Kosovo, Kuwait, Malta, South Asia. As I mentioned before, we will focus on South Asia, which includes India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh. Next. International membership is available to family doctors who have completed MRCGP International accredited assessments in any of these centers. After you complete MRCGP International, it will allow you to 3 benefits, mainly to use ARCGP membership benefits, inclusion in the RCGP membership directory, and to use the post-nominal MRCGP International. Next. The nature of assessment differs from one country to other country. However, it usually consists of a combination of the following. AKT, which is Part 1 Applied Knowledge Test. CSA, Clinical Skill Assessment. This is OSCE Assessment, Part 2. Simulated Surgery Exam. WBPA, which is Workplace-Based Assessment and Assignments. For application form, download, and paying exam fees, you can check website MRCGP International South Asia. By the way, I will post the website of MRCGP International South Asia. You will find it in description box below. So now let us to see time of part 1 exam in 2024. Actually, mainly we have 2 exams. One will be on 15th of May 2024 and the other will be on 20th of November 2024. We have many venues, Colombo, Jeddah, Karachi, New Delhi, anyway, all here listed. For November exam, same centers, but there is Riyadh in Saudi Arabia. For, this registration on opening date for May exam will be on 12th of January 2024, for November exam on 15th of July 2024. For registration closing date for May exam, 10th of February 2024, for November exam to 12th of August 2024. For fees here we have £530, KSA, and 430 other venues, the same for November exam. Withdrawal deadline without penalty here will be on 20th of February for May exam, for November exam on 21st August 2024. For withdrawal deadline with 50% fee deduction will be on 1st of March 2024 for May exam and 31st August 2024. So what after you get MRCGP International certificate? MRCGP International is recognized in Australia. In Saudi Arabia, you may need 2 to 4 years experience to be a specialist depending on the hospital policy you are working in. In UAE Emirates, you may need 3 years practice to be a specialist. So, me, Dr. Asma Mustafa, MRCGP International graduate 2023, and my colleague, Dr. Sisha Shishri, will do Studybuddy MRCGP International AKT guidance courses. Duration of one course will be 8 weeks, 4 days per week, 2 hours per day. That comes to 64 hours, starting on 5th of January. We will post on the group more details. Studybuddy MRCGP International AKT guidance course will focus on solving MCQs from past exams and reliable websites. In addition to that, it will provide a comprehensive teaching of important clinical topics from Oxford Handbook of General Practice, NICE guidelines, and other references. An interactive discussion of most up-to-date clinical information would also be provided to be prepared well for AKT South Asia MRCGP International exam. Best wishes for all. Dr. Asma Mustafa and Dr. Sisha Shishri. Best wishes. Bye.